I want to say to President Jacob Zuma, thank you so much. More health for you and more love all the way from Zimbabwe. We respect you and we honor that. President Jacob Zuma, through your wisdom and intelligence as a chess master, you have demonstrated how smart you are. Some of our old people, they are not able to do this. I will explain it in short. They will tell us that I am ZANU-PF, I shall die ZANU-PF. I am Frelimo, I shall die Frelimo. I am ANC, I shall die ANC. They don't show their loyalty to the people. They don't care how much a political party became a snake that is eating itself. They don't care. As long they are inside the system and feeding their big bellies and feeding their appetite of corruption, their appetite of greediness and nepotism, they don't care about the people. They will simply tell us that, don't tell me anything. I'm a war veteran. I have been in this political party for the rest of my life, and I will die inside this political party. But President Jacob Zuma, you have just opened the mind of those people. We always tell them that you are not doing us a favor. When wrong things are done inside the system and you have got influence and you are inside the system, denounce it for the sake of the people. President Jacob Zuma, you went transparent to the people that this is not the ANC that I know. It's now a captured ANC which served the minority. And I cannot be a part of this. With the influence and the famacy and the smartness and the intelligence and wisdom that you were given by our ancestors, you are part of our own African academics, not from the Western schools, but from the school of wisdom that comes from our ancestors. You are part of those people. And you are demonstrating it that their Western education means nothing to us, but only means imperialism, capitalism, and praising their masters. You didn't go under the table to take the bribery of 1 billion to buy the votes. No, you didn't do that, Mr. President. But you said, this is no longer the ANC I worked for, the ANC that I've suffered for. I do say people first, and you decided. Thank you, President Jacob Zuma.